My topic is all about symmetry. You admire the beauty of some objects partly because of their symmetry. The left side and right side are balanced in a jet plane just as they are in a butterfly. A well-formed tree has symmetry with respect to its trunk. An artistic design may have symmetry with respect to a central point. Whereas people speak of physical objects as being symmetrical when they appear to be well balanced. Mathematicians give the term precise meaning in three different cases, as described below. The first is symmetry with respect to a point. I've searched in the Google because I can't understand much in the book. Symmetry with respect to a point, also known as point symmetry or central symmetry, occurs when a figure remains unchanged after a 180 rotation around a central point. So malalaman mo na symmetry with respect to a point siya if kahit na balik-baliktadin mo siya, the same pa rin yung kanyang position at hindi nagkakaiba. Examples of symmetry with respect to a point. Plus sign or addition. Rotating the plus sign by 180 degrees around its center point results in the same figure. Also, the cross. A cross shape remains unchanged after a 1 degree rotation around its central point. In addition, Star of David. The six-pointed star exhibits point symmetry. Also, snowflakes. Many snowflakes display point symmetry with identical patterns radiating from the center. Next is symmetry with respect to a line, or line symmetry. Occurs when a figure remains unchanged after reflection across a line, called the axis of symmetry. This line divides the figure into two identical halves. So, as the word says, is kahit paghatiin mo yung yung isang bagay, hatiin mo yung sa gitna, dapat identical pa rin silang dalawa. To be called symmetry with respect to a line. So, examples nito ay letter A. The letter A has line symmetry as the left and right sides mirror each other. Butterfly. Many butterfly species exhibit line symmetry with identical patterns on their wings. Also, human face. The human face has approximate line symmetry with similar features on both sides. Geometric shapes. Isosceles triangles, rectangles, and squares exhibit line symmetry. Lastly, symmetry with respect to a plane or plane symmetry occurs when a three-dimensional object remains unchanged after reflection across a plane. This plane, called the plane of symmetry, divides the object into two identical halves. Examples: human body. The human body exhibits plane symmetry with similar organs and features on both sides of the mid-sagittal plane. And butterfly wings. Many butterfly species have plane symmetry with identical patterns on both wings. Airplanes. Aircraft designs often exhibit plane symmetry for aerodynamic efficiency. Architectural buildings. Buildings like the White House and St. Peter's Basilica display plane symmetry. And lastly, molecules. Certain molecules like benzene exhibit plane symmetry. That is all about my topic about symmetry. And I thank you.